Hi everybody, welcome to C2C Mentors. This is Pooja here. I'm from कोई कोड batch of 2022 और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे सारे Symbiosis colleges, all the colleges that you can apply through Snap और उनके shortlist कब release होंगे, all the dates that you need to keep in mind so that you can check the shortlist and quickly start preparing for your GEPI VAT. Let's start quickly. Starting with SIBM Pune, the college that needs absolutely no introduction. SIBM Pune की अगर बात करें, उसका shortlist is expected on February 4th of 2022, which is like 2 days. SIBM Pune का वैसे तो I don't need to talk a lot about it, but if you see one unique thing that is really impressive is SIBM Pune के campus पे you get all the major case competitions, right? HUL Lime हो गया आपका, boardroom challenge हो गया, all the case competitions. और not only they come on the campus, SIBM Pune से हर साल they have been getting recognized in the national finals, in the national runner-ups as national winners also. So beautiful campus, a lot of diversity on campus, lovely minds on campus. February 4th is the date that you should be looking for the shortlist of SIBM Pune. Coming to SCHMRD, again, one of the top institutes in the country. I think it is one of the top institutes in the world which has AACSB accreditation. Sorry, it is only among the 5% colleges, only 5% B schools in the world have this accreditation, and that is with SCHMRD. So February 8th will be the date when they will be releasing their shortlist. Coming to SIBM Bangalore, SIBM Bangalore का उन्होंने बोला है February 8th को ही रिलीज करेंगे shortlist. Again, it has been consistently achieving beautiful placement records when it is coming to SIBM Bangalore. उनका जो average CTC है, it has seen a rise of around 32% over around, let's say 8 years. 8 years का अगर उनका record देखें तो 32% का rise किया है उन्होंने as far as their average placement is considered. SIMC, a beautiful college as far as media communication is concerned. उनका shortlist होगा आपका February 17th, 2022. अगर थोड़ा उनके curriculum में देखें, they offer specialization in 4 major categories like brand communication हो गया आपका, public relations हो गया, you have marketing and media analytics, you have media management. ये 4 चीजों में you have specialization, which is beautiful part. SIOM is operations oriented college under the Symbiosis umbrella. SIOM का beautiful part is that उसका जो curriculum है, that is appreciated by industry experts. अगर आप उनके website पे भी जाके देखो, you will find the appreciation from student partners like from Microsoft, from Nivea, all those जो उनके जो student program के heads है, they have appreciated that the batch of SIOM is really good. It has a diverse set of batch. Unka curriculum is industry-wide recognized. So that shortlist you can expect on February 12th. Okay. SIIB, again, institute focused a lot on international business. पहले ये international business का नहीं था. It was focusing on agri-business and energy का. दो अलग उनका specialization था. But now it is a lot of focusing on international business. Even उनका जो curriculum है, that is aligned with the subjects which are used in international business. So इसका shortlist आप expect कर सकते हो February 7, 2022. Okay, coming to SIMS again, इनका जो placement record है, 92% of the students got placed, जो भी इनका latest available है. Highest salary they have reported as 12, and lowest is also around 6, I can say. So average आप पकड़ सकते हो 8 का. Good institute, 92% placement. Shortlists are expected on February 8th, 2022. Moving ahead with other colleges, SIDTM, again focused on digital and telecom, which needs again no introduction. Digital telecom, obviously it is going to be a boom. So ये college आपका जो, even the applications are open for this college, right? 3rd February tak they've opened the application. So all of those who have not yet applied and wish to apply, please, you can go ahead and do so. Highest inka reported hai around 29, and the top 50 ka average they have given as 15.8 or something like that. Coming to SSBF. SSBF is a college aligned towards banking and finance. Uska shortlist they have told on February 8th. Expected on February 8th. Okay? You can look for this college if you're really interested towards banking, finance, core oriented. 11 lakh per annum का इसका highest reported CTC है. A good college to look for again. SIBM Hyderabad, SIBM Nagpur, दो colleges again which don't need any such introduction. SIBM Nagpur का अगर हम बात करें, it is one of the best colleges in Nagpur. थोड़ा सा inclined towards food and agri business management. Highest CTC report किया इन्होंने 25 का. And when it comes to इसका shortlist date, February 10th and February 8th are the dates that you can look forward to when it comes to Hyderabad and Nagpur respectively. So just mark all these dates on your calendar and look for the shortlist, wait for the shortlist, cross your fingers and wait for the shortlist. I am sure all of you will get all your colleges that you aspire to. जो भी आपका ड्रीम कॉलेज होगा, जो भी आपने अप्लाई कर रखे होंगे, you will get the shortlist and then gear up for your GEPI VAT preparation. अगर आप थोड़ा सोचे GEPI VAT preparation के बारे में, previous year some colleges did opt for VAT and some colleges did not opt for VAT, so we do not know how it is going to be, but yes, जब तक आपका preparation का सवाल है, जहां तक preparation का सवाल है, let's be prepared for this. Okay, even the group exercise जो होता है, even though it was an online medium, students were asked to perform a skit or some presentation in a group, and then they had to perform via online medium, like Zoom पे ही तुम skit कर रहे हो. So then that also requires a lot of practice, which we are here to help you for. अगर आप देखें, let me just walk you through our dashboard real quick, जो हमने डिजाइन किया है especially for Symbiosis. Okay, this is our dashboard, which is a Symbiosis program ka. Here we have included all your PI questions like why MBA, आपका strengths weakness क्या होगा. We have included a lot of GK feeds which you can like go through one by one. All your awards का जो भी knowledge है. GDPI sessions, we teach students the frameworks that they can use in their answers. We do not give them ready-made answers कि तुम्हें introduce yourself पूछा, you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the pointers and you speak it out. No, we don't do that. We help you out with personalized answers based on your profiles. Okay. Then we have all the specialization workshops here, starting from marketing or finance, ho gaya, economics, ho gaya, Prodman. Again, you have operations, brand management. So when you kind of justify कि आपको ये चीज क्यों करना है आगे जाके, why do you want to get into finance? Why do you want to get into operations? Why marketing? You should know a little bit about these things also, which we have included. Again, आपके live lectures होंगे ये सारे, personal interview के सारे sessions होंगे. We will be interacting with you one-on-one to review all your answers. सारे Symbiosis के जो भी questions है, that will be taken up. Form filling will be helped. Case discussions. Again, we will be having a lot of practice on case discussions because online medium में it becomes a little difficult. So आपको कुछ चीजें हैं जो ध्यान में रखनी होती है, which we will again help you out with. Don't worry at all. Case analysis again is a different part that we will help you out with, and group exercise. All the lectures will be live. All your VAT will be helped to you. Picture based VAT हो गया आपका, आपके कौन से frameworks use करने हैं VAT में, everything we can help you out with. I'll just put up this link in the description below, in the comment section also, so that you can go through it again for your convenience. And this is what we are here to offer. So just gear up for your GEPI preparation, guys. Symbiosis का shortlist release होगा in the next week. All the colleges will start releasing their shortlist, and then it is based on you. It is all in your hands to convert that one call that you have. Okay. So till then, just stay tuned to the channel. We will be uploading a couple of more videos when it comes to Symbiosis ka preparation. There will be one more video again today as far as cutoffs are concerned. कि college कौन से college का cutoff कितना जाएगा, so that you can know what calls to expect. फिर कौन से कॉलेज से आपको कॉल्स एक्सपेक्टेड है. ओके, just pardon me for my voice, it's a little bad, I know today, but yeah, so this is what I had to say about Symbiosis, about your GEPI program and your preparation. So go ahead and start with your preparation. Don't wait for the shortlist to be out and then you can start, क्योंकि एक बार shortlist आ गई फिर you won't have that time. Okay, so just go ahead and start preparing. Till then, just stay tuned to the channel, like, share and subscribe this video if you find this useful, and do let us know how we can help you better. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.